Welcome back, Math Grizz. Today, we will be converting decimals to percents. Rule: multiply the decimal by 100 and write a percent sign. We have 0.05, or 5 hundredths. We have 0 ones, 0 tenths, and 5 hundredths. We can model that by showing 5 hundredths. Now, let's multiply the decimal by 100. We know that 5 times 0 is 0, 5 times 0 is 0, and 5 times 1 is 5. We won't bother multiplying by these digits because they're both zeros. Now let's move the decimal in 2 places. 1, 2. 5 hundredths as a percent is 5%. Let's think about it like this. If we have one whole and we have 5 hundredths, we have 5% of the whole. Let's convert 0.3 to a percent. We have 3 tenths. 1, 2, 3. 3 tenths. Let's multiply that by 100. We know that 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 0 is 0, and 3 times 1 is 3. We won't bother multiplying by this digit because it's a 0. Let's move the decimal point in one time. 3 tenths as a percent is 30%. Let's take a look at a visual. We have one whole and we have 3 tenths of the whole. That shows 30%. Let's convert 0.5 to a percent, or 5 tenths. Let's show 5 tenths. Now let's multiply that by 100. 5 times 0 is 0, 5 times 0 is 0, and 5 times 1 is 5. We won't bother multiplying by this digit because it's a 0. Now let's put the decimal point in one place. That means that 5 tenths as a percent is 50%. Let's take a look. We have one whole and we have 5 tenths of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 50% of a whole. Let's convert 0.1 to a percent. We have 1 tenth. Let's multiply that by 100. We know that 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 0 is 0, and 1 times 1 is 1. Now let's move the decimal point in one place to the right. That means that 1 tenth as a percentage is 10%. Now let's look at a visual. We have one whole, and we have 1 tenth of it. That shows 10% of one whole. 1 tenth, or 0.1. 1.2, or 1 and 2 tenths. Let's create a model of 1.2. We have 1 and 2 tenths. Let's multiply it by 100. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 1 is 2. Now we need our placeholder since we're moving on to the next place. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 0 is 0. And 1 times 1 is 1. Let's add the partial products. 0, 0, 2, and 1. Now we need to move the decimal point in one place. That means that 1.2, or 1 and 2 tenths, is 120%. Let's take a look. Here we have one whole, and we notice that we have 1. So we need another whole, and this time we only have 2 tenths of it. This shows 120%. 1.0, or 1. We have 1 and 0 tenths. We have 1, 1. Let's multiply 1 by 100. That gives us 100. That means that it's 100%. If we have one whole, then we have 1, we have 100% of it.